Hello and welcome to Undervisey. My name is Soham and today we are going to talk about Digimon Adventure Reboot Series 2020, episode number 26. Now if you are new here then please consider subscribing to the channel since I do weekly anime and manga related content along with Digimon Adventure reviews. We're trying to hit 5,000 subscribers by the end of 2020, so a like and sub would be massively appreciated. Now on to the video. So to be very frank, the first half of this episode felt really boring to me. Yeah, there was some decent action here and there, but the overall narrative was just still a transitional episode. We are currently transitioning from the first half of the series to the second half of the series with the reintroduction of Hikari as well as the digital world. There's some neat action here and there, and Koshiro does show off his brilliance in this particular episode as he's the one who is able to eventually solve the ship problem throughout the entire world. I wonder how did the humans or the adults not recognize this problem, but then again this is a Digimon show. This is a shonen trope of chosen children bringing about the true justice or bringing about the change in the entire world. So this was pretty alright stuff, and we did manage to see the intelligence of Koshiro once again on display, so that was pretty nice. But other than that, the first half felt kind of flat to me, but then again this was once again just a transitional episode. But I was really excited to see Seadramon, Mega Seadramon as well as Waru Seadramon in this particular episode. Design wise, I really like Waru Seadramon, so it was really nice for me to see him in this particular episode alongside his other ultimate counterpart, that is Mega Seadramon. And the first half was fairly simple, where Taichi and Yamato were trying to defend themselves against these hungry Seadramons who were trying to attack them and all, so it was pretty alright stuff. But then again, I noticed a lot of reused animation in this particular episode. In other episodes, it doesn't bother me that much, but this particular episode was really bothersome for me for some reason, especially Leomon's Joken. That was really not looking good. But anyway, that happens, and ultimately after Koshiro resolves the real world problem, he along with the rest of the gang as well as Hikari are called back into the digital world. Hikari even says that someone is calling her. And all of this happens while Taichi and Greymon have fallen into the ocean and they're about to be devoured by Waru Seadramon when Zudomon of all people appear out of nowhere. This was really badass, and finally we get to hear the extreme battle music. I was really waiting for that particular music to appear, and it finally happened now. And the rest of the episode was a pretty nice battle between all the ultimate Digimon of the Digidestined, and this was some pretty alright stuff. But once again, this is mostly a transitional stuff, and we are reintroduced to Hikari, who for the first time in this particular era comes to the digital world. And all of this is probably leading up to something big. I hope that this will lead us to the Millenniummon stuff. I have already made a video upon that, which will be published today or tomorrow, where I'll talk about the possibility of Millenniummon as well as Zed Millenniummon appearing. But this is it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. What are your thoughts about this episode? Please mention them in the comment section below. So that's it for today. This is Undervisey, and I'll see you soon in the next one.